Hello, so I'm Chinmay from India and I'm the founder of a youth-led initiative called Awaj, which means making voice. So basically in my area, people migrate to other places for livelihood. So what we are doing is we are trying to mobilize youth so that they know the issues of our area and they can see what are the opportunity where they can work or even create opportunity for others. And I have also volunteered for this organization called Jami Jangal Mukti Andolan, which works around forest rights. So in my area, the tribal youths migrate to other places in search of work because they don't have sufficient livelihood in their own area. So we are trying to do the capacity building of them and ensure that they can understand what are the scopes that they have from their own forest, how they can earn from the produces that they get from their own forest. In past, I have also worked with Pradhan, an organization that works with the tribal women who have limited lands. Even if they have lands, they have no sufficient water to do farming. So I have been engaged to make them understand about climate smart agriculture, which are the crops which don't require a lot of water, what are the crops that have high value in market. And I have seen that they are doing great. They have some alternate ways of livelihood right now. And currently I am working at Anchalik Janseva Anushthan as a program manager in the DRR project, disaster risk reduction. And they also have their barefoot teachers and their bridge schools where their focus is to ensure that all the children are enrolled in school. They are not migrating with their parents to other places. So in that project, I have been a part of designing modules. I have been a part of ensuring that parents are agreeing to sending their children to barefoot teachers where they can be taught, and we have been getting a very good response. And I have my plans that if I get to be the global youth ambassador at IOM, then I can learn more, I can meet more people, and I cannot just I do not want to just be limited to specific area, but I can work globally. So that is my plans. Thank you.